Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete HFM trading account. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to remove a trading account from your HFM dashboard by archiving it through the account settings. This process is straightforward, and it's useful if you no longer need a specific account and want to keep your account area more organized. As you follow along, make sure you're signed in to the correct HFM profile so you can access the right account. To begin, go to the MyHF page on the HFM website. Once the page loads, you should arrive at your main account dashboard, where your trading accounts are listed. Take a moment to look over the available accounts so you can identify the one you want to delete. In this example, the account shown is a sample account, so be sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Next, find the settings icon for the account you want to remove. This is usually displayed near that account's information and gives you access to additional account management options. Click the settings icon to open the menu. If you have multiple accounts, it's a good idea to double-check the account details at this stage to avoid archiving the wrong one. After the menu opens, click on Archive Account. This option is what HFM uses in place of a traditional delete button. In many platforms, archiving means the account is removed from active use and hidden from your main view, rather than permanently erased immediately. That can be helpful if you simply want to close out an unused account and keep your dashboard tidy. Once you select Archive Account, a confirmation prompt should appear. Click Confirm, then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the process. Depending on your account status, the platform may ask you to review a final message or verify the action before it is processed. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what will happen after the account is archived. After you confirm, the account should no longer appear as an active account in the same way it did before. If you don't see the change right away, give the page a moment to refresh or reload your dashboard and check again. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the steps to delete, or more accurately archive, an HFM trading account. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made the process clear and easy to complete.